I am from Delhi. So I attended a workshop from a sir who was the director of IITM Group. So what I particularly learned was that at times we get distracted. We often lose track of what we have to do. Eventually we lose our purpose. So what he took our questions on particularly doing what is necessary to do. And yeah, and he was quite open to all of our thoughts. So that's what we learned.
My name is Sarfaraz Alam. I am from Bihar. I have learned many things new. Like this workshop is about the oncology and genome sequencing, but I have also learned a lot about how the data is stored and processed in a manner that we could predict the new sequences, and in the healthcare itself or other things can be also explored by this kind of methods that I have learned today.
My name is Daljot Singh and I have completed the diploma level course. So here, by interacting with professors, I get to know about different strategies after we will learn from our basic graph theory concepts like binary breadth first search and depth first search. And there are other things also that existing, right? So how someone can approach things in a prescriptive manner.
My name is Anubhav Sharma and I'm currently in the foundation degree of this program. I'm an engineering student too. So I'm a dual degree student. So I've learned some basics of AI in my engineering course and then I've connected all of them. So here we have already studied about deterministic and static variables, and here we talked about probabilities. So there is not any similarity between the two. On a broader term, there is not. But when he taught us, he showed us the similarities between the two, how they do both work in a similar manner, making everything, how the robots and the self-driving cars and all those Teslas and everything work, making them very easy to think, like how everything works, how everything is connected in the world of mathematics and basic statistics and everything, coding, programming, everything is like a huge web where everything just goes in and just becomes a part of a huge network or a node.
My name is Sameer Mishra. I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, and I am currently in the foundation level of the BS Data Science and Applications. I am here for the workshop of Mr. Professor Bimal Kumar, who is teaching economics for AI. And I am very thankful to the teacher that I get to know about economics, why AI, and know how can I deal with it, and what is the future of AI in economics. They are showing the statistic like which profession will be in the more in the AI, and how can you predict and this judgment it. And I get to know about it. I am very thankful to Professor Bimal Kumar.
Hi, this is Sivarajan. I'm a diploma student. I just completed my diploma in data science in the May semester. One good thing that I see with this cultural plus technology fest is the way experienced professionals from the industry are brought in here. So the youngsters, unlike me, I'm in the industry for the past 30 years, but then the young generation who are trying to get their BS degree done, it gives them a lot more exposure, something that they can never get in a campus settings. This is a good way.
I am Akash. Currently, I am in a foundation level, third term. Today, I attended a workshop of dashboard designing. Even I don't know about it before that, but it's a really a good experience. I really get to know about many things about dashboard design, how it works.
My name is Akash and I'm in foundation level of IITM BS Degree program, and I'm from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Actually, just now I attended a workshop from this college that fun with the web sockets by the Professor Nitin from the electrical department. It has a variation from the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then Sar explained about the more with the web application by using the socket. This is the more experience for me to the just like a hands-on live experience.